Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming account access and funding. Do this now so you can place live orders. Once done, configure your workspace with price chart, depth of market, and a clean order entry panel. Choose one instrument and a single time frame to reduce noise. This prevents scattered decisions. Then enter a small initial trade size and a predefined stop. This gives you a real sequence to analyze. Make sure to record trade rationale in a short note for review. You place entries using limit orders when possible and attach an OCO bracket to automate stop and target. This reduces emotional fiddling. Once filled, manage position sizing by scaling. Begin with half your plan size, add a quarter if the move validates, and add the last quarter only on confirmed momentum. As you manage, watch liquidity and spread to avoid hidden slippage, and pay attention to scheduled news that can blow out stops. Keep a run. You close trades by honoring your stop or by applying a trailing stop when a trend is established. This preserves capital and locks winners. After each trade, immediately log entry, exit, size, risk-reward, and one takeaway to build pattern awareness. If you see recurring losses or execution errors, don't guess. Backtest the specific rule change over at least 50 trades or a representative sample. Troubleshooting tip. If fills or slippage break your edge, reduce size and switch to limit only until execution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.